As you continue, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Without rushing, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Tonight's theme is emotional release, and we will move through it in a calm, structured rhythm. Imagine a slow river after rain, simple and steady, while your breathing begins to steady. As you continue, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. While you listen, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From this softer edge, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. On each exhale, let your breathing become more weightless and effortless. Settle deeper, choose cleaner. Notice your hands easing into a more heavy state. As you continue, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Let your jaw become restorative. Let your calves soften. Let your shoulders soften. Let your forehead soften. Without rushing, notice your body feeling more effortless overall. From this softer edge, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. While you listen, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. Step 10, and let your body become more balanced. Step 9, and let your body become more gentle. Step 8, and let your body become more level. Step 7, and let your body become more patient. Step 6, and let your body become more gentle. Step 5, and let your body become more patient. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Step 3, and let your body become more anchored. In this next moment, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this next moment, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Without rushing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. With each easy exhale, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. Without rushing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. As you continue, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As you continue, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. From this softer edge, notice a soft hush in the room around you. From here, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. As you think about emotional release, notice that your internal pace is now stable and your attention is level. As your awareness refines, keep your breathing smoothly and your posture steady. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Let the idea of emotional settle into your breathing as a calm, practical reference point. In your own steady timing, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. In this next moment, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Notice your neck easing into a more crystalline state. Allow your knees to relax. While you listen, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Notice your upper chest easing into a more restorative state. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. From here, notice your body feeling more steady overall. As the tension releases, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. As the tension releases, notice a soft hush in the room around you. You arrive with a still breath and an effortless mind. You respond to emotional release with steady intention, not urgency. With each easy exhale, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. When you whisper release, soft focuses, your shoulders drop and your breath steadies. Return in your own steady timing, keeping this calm in your breathing and posture. When you are ready, take one fuller breath and carry this clarity with you. As you continue, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale.